How to remove header and footer in Word. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove header and footer in Word. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Microsoft Word on your device, and further, go ahead and open the document you want to remove header and footer from. Now, to remove header, simply tap on the header of your document and a toolbar will appear. On the top left of your screen, you will see the header drop down now. Tap on that and here you will then see the option for remove header. Tap on that, and with this, as you can see, the header has been deleted. Now, removing the footer is also the same as removing the header. All that you have to do is tap on the footer option and then tap on the drop down right below the header on the left side of the screen. You will then see the option for remove footer. Tap on that and go ahead and remove the footer. So this is how you can remove header and footer in Word. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.